Hey y'all, and welcome back, or welcome if this is your first time here. Today's video is a deep cleaning of my master bedroom. If you didn't know this already, we just moved into our house about a month ago, and I have yet to do a deep cleaning. And there's also going to be a little bit of organizing in this video. So I hope you enjoy. I hope this video gives you some cleaning and organizing motivation. Also, I wanted to mention that this video is in collaboration with Kristen from The Mothership. She is a mommy as well, and they just moved into their new home recently. So you're going to get some organization motivation from her because she's going to organize her kitchen for you guys. So as soon as you're watching this video, then please jump on over there to her channel and give her some love. Watch her video and give her a big thumbs up. And I hope you guys enjoy all of this motivation.
I see you watching me. When we're with our friends, it's definitely something in the air. So let's take it from there, cause I know you want it. Afraid to let it show, and I know you need it. Why don't we let it grow, grow, grow?
Okay, so if you haven't noticed by now, that is bird poop that I am trying to scrub off of the window and the window screen. This took me most of the time just to get this done. I had to use a glass cleaner and a multi-purpose cleaner. I had to pull out an old toothbrush that I ended up throwing away, of course, because that's just gross. So yeah, that's what I'm doing right there, is I'm scrubbing it off of the window screen. So if you don't get any motivation right now to get some deep cleaning done, then I don't know what will.
It grows stronger for every day. We just can't keep it away. Oh, make you move before someone takes your place. I know how you feel, but you're scared to say to my face. I sure know you want it. Afraid to let it show, and I know you need it. Why don't we let it grow? Why don't we let it? Why don't we let it grow?
And here is a little bit of real mom life. Right after I get through cleaning the windows, here comes my 2-year-old just to put her little bitty cute handprints all over them.
Something in the air. So let's take it from there. So let's take it from there. Why don't we let it grow, 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 grow? And I know you need it. Why don't we let it grow? I know you want it. Afraid to let it show. You need it.
And now she's trying to help mommy with cleaning the windows. So I decided to actually set her up in the bathroom with a paper towel and the 7th generation glass cleaner. And I have her in there cleaning the mirrors in there.
Grow, 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 grow. We found love here. Together we will shine, but we know we're running out of time, 'cause we met like strangers.
Now I'm just cleaning this antique vanity. This came from my mother, and I'm not really sure where it came from, but if you look very closely, you can see there's a lot of paint chips and everything like that. And I do plan to repaint it once we move again, which will be in less than a year. But I'm using the Mrs. Meyers Honeysuckle scent all-purpose cleaner, or multi-purpose cleaner. I'm still trying to finish that off from my summer spring collection of cleaners. So So I'm doing a little bit of organizing and arranging in my room, but if you watch to the end of the video, you will see more of that. I started out making this video just an organizing video, but if you stay tuned to the end, you will see that it started out that way and it became way too overwhelming for me. So stick around to the end and see what I'm talking about.
Will I ever see you again? I could travel 1,000 miles just to feel your arms around me. I will give my love to you, but will I see you when I get there? Ooh, ooh, ooh.
I'm addicted to the love that you're giving. Every minute, every day I've been craving. And I don't wanna get you out of my system, no, 'cause I like the way it feels when you touch me. You got me good. Ooh, ooh, ooh. You got me good. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Oh babe, all I'm thinking about is when you come around. Ooh, ooh, ooh. 'Cause you got me. Play the game just like a pro, didn't stand a chance. You took it all, yeah, you won by a landslide. Oh babe, left your trademark on my cheek, now I'm all yours. Got me calling you up at night just to hear your voice. You got me good. Ooh, ooh, ooh. You got me good. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Yeah. All I'm thinking about is when you come around. Ooh, ooh, ooh.
So basically the two cleaners that I'm using in this video are the 7th generation glass cleaner and the Mrs. Meyers multi-purpose cleaner in the Honeysuckle scent. The 7th generation glass cleaner is my favorite out of the natural glass cleaners that I've tried. I have also tried Method, but it seems to always leave streaks. However, I have been using it on my refrigerator, which is stainless steel, and I do think that it works a little bit better than the actual Method stainless steel cleaner. Also, this is my Dyson vacuum. I do have another cordless vacuum, which is my Hoover Cruise, which you will see toward the end of the video. Also, my favorite cleaning products are in the description box below if you're interested in seeing those. I have a lot of favorites and most of them are Method and Mrs. Meyers. I also like some of Honest Company and 7th generation like you've seen in this video.
You got me good. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Oh yeah. Ooh, ooh, ooh. You got me.
I just love those vacuum lines. They make me so happy. I've actually never had a house that gave me vacuum lines because I've always had such old carpet. I love those vacuum lines. It makes me so happy. So here it is. If you made it this far into the video, congratulations. You have now seen what my room looked like a week before I actually made the actual video. So the reason that it just got too overwhelming is I was already exhausted. I've been unpacking basically everything by myself because my husband works about 14 to 16 hours a day. So with my 2-year-old and my 4-year-old running in and out, it was really hard for me to get much done, especially much filming done. I was trying to put this shelf together to put it in my girls' playroom, and I was going to move the other shelf into my room, which you actually saw at the first part of the video. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to go check out Kristen's channel at the Mothership, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.